Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. If you are new to my channel, my name is Omoni and you're welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any uploads from me. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I style this hair, and the hair that I'm using today is from HerGivenHair. So this is a full lace wig, 18 inches, and is a kinky blow out, and the color is a natural color, of course. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So first I'm going to unbox the wig just to show you guys how it came. So they were kind enough to add some face mask and hand gloves. You know, this comes in handy during this hard time or during this virus thing. So this is a book on how to take care of the hair and different styles that you can do with your hair from HerGivenHair. Okay, so this wig is a glueless full lace wig, and it does have an adjustable strap attached to it, but they were kind enough to add extra elastic band and hooks and clips. So this is what the hair looks like, and as you can see, it's a full lace wig. So after unboxing the wig, I went ahead and washed the wig and I allowed it to air dry all through the night. So this is the next day. So I'm going to place the wig on my mannequin head and apply the lower body styling mousse, and then I'm going to use my hot comb to slip down the hair. That way I can easily cut out the lace. So I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video that this wig is a beginner friendly wig. The Swiss transparent lace has been bleached, the hairline has been pre-plucked, and also the lace has been tinted to match my complexion, so you don't have to do extra work when installing this wig. That is why I said it's a beginner friendly type of wig, and the texture of this hair does mimic afro blowouts. Like, no amount of heat that I applied on this wig could straighten it out. Like, the wig, the texture does look really afro. Okay guys, and you need to feel this wig in order for you to understand what I'm talking about. Like, the texture is amazing and it's very easy to maintain, and you can do a whole lot of style with this wig because it's a full lace wig. You can even decide to braid the wig if you choose to, which I'm going to be doing in another tutorial. Please let me know in the comment section if you're interested. And I'm using my eyebrow razor to trim out the lace or to cut out the lace. That way I don't mess up with the hairline because the hairline has already been pre-plucked. So I'm using 90% alcohol to clean up any dirt or oil on my hairline, and I'm going to use my foundation on the bald cap. That way it matches with my skin. And I did the bald cap method off camera because I already have tutorials on how I do the bald cap method. So this is what the wig looks like after cutting off the lace. So right now it's time to install this wig. And guys, let me tell you, this wig fitted my head as if it was specially made for me. Like, the fitting of this wig was just out of this world. I've never had a wig that fits so perfectly. I didn't have to cut out any extra lace at the ear side. Like, everything fitted so perfectly and it was so secured. I could have been able to do like a glueless wig with this wig if I choose to. So the spray that I'm using is from Crazy Puss. I've never used it before. This is my first time of trying it out. It does the same job as the Got to Be Glue free spray, so you don't have to bother yourself about buying this spray if you already have the Got to Be Glued spray. I did not realize that my camera was out of focus, So what I did was to apply the hairspray on my hairline, and I'm using this brush to press it down, that way it lays down. And I'm going to use my blow dryer, the cool setting on my blow dryer, to blow it, that way it dries down faster.
Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me a tell them me a what I done. Tell them okay what I done, me a done. Tell them let them hear what I want. Tell them me a let them hear what I want. Say they can don't try run me down. Bad man, me I never talk on me on. Say them a fear try pull me down. Bad men are tracking me down. I held them. Bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me as.
So guys, as you can already see that the lace is invisible, like you can barely even see that there's a lace. So I'm going to cut out some piece of hair to create baby hair, and I'm going to use the same Lotta body styling mousse to lay it down. And after all of that, I'm going to tie it down with a scarf and go ahead and do my makeup, and I'll be back to show you guys the final results, or I'll be back to style the hair. Okay.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me radar. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma.
So guys, I am back and I'm looking like $1 million baby. Okay, you cannot tell me anything else. You cannot tell me otherwise, because I know I'm cute. Okay, so it's time to style the hair, and honestly I don't know what to do. I'm just trying to see what will work for me, but I just wanted something different. As you can see, I'm a bit confused on where to even part the hair, but I decided to do the middle part just to show you guys how beautiful the lace is. Oh, what was that? So I'm applying the same Lotta body styling mousse, and I'm going to use my hot comb to flat or to make the pattern to lay flat. And I'm trying not to burn myself because I already did that some time ago and it was so painful. I still have the scar, so I'm trying this time around not to burn myself. And yeah, and after this part, middle part, I'm also going to do another style which you guys are going to see. I don't know, maybe I should just stop talking and allow you guys to enjoy this video, and I'll see you at the end of the video.
Standard.
Lego. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time, it's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. Vehicles, let's
It's
go.
feet kills.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Kill him on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Girl, you want me island too. Beauty now your body, girl, me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want your body, girl, your fire can cool. Wait, she said she want the rundown. Bad man, na me, they run town. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, make she calm down. Bad man, na me, they run town. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Giving her the vibe, say she wanna roll. Moving on her body, say she don't wanna go. Bad man's on the floor, people them applause. Singing and rapping, I'ma be killing on the floor. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah.
So the coils did not come out the way I wanted it to, so I just applied the same styling mousse, the Lotta body styling mousse on the hair, and I coiled it one more time, and boom, it came out exactly how I wanted it to be. So I'll repeat the same thing on the others. So that's basically all that I did for this hair tutorial. Every details of this hair will be in my description box below in case you guys are interested. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and also turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any uploads from me. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Them I come, them I want, them I take her. Bad man, me I come in, me I wanna take her. Girls, them I come, them I want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me ya, say she give me pon me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my whining, let me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na